Hello, my name is Ian and today I'm going to explain what is and how it works the public forum. So, to better understand what is the public forum, we need to go back to the start forum and remember what it is, since this is directly related to the public forum. In order to remember, let's choose here a pipe in this example. For example, campaign briefing pipe. Pipe that is a process as we call inside Pipefy. So every pipe, every process has a start form, which is the very first input of information in the process. It's through this start form that cards are created in the pipe and the form itself is fully customizable according to your needs. To check your start form, just click here on the plus button, and that's the start form, the first input of your process. So this is the basic concept of the start form. As you know, the start form can be fully customizable and you can adjust it as you wish according to the needs of your process. But only people that have access to your pipe or that have access to your organization inside Pipefy can access the start form. However, in some cases, you wish to make it public to other people that don't use Pipefy at all or people that don't have access to this specific pipe can access the form and use it. So in those cases, we can enable the public form. The public form is a mirror of the start form. The only difference here is that it is available to people outside the company through a specific link. So why would you use it? In some cases, for example, you can make a pipe, a process for a feedback form, a job application form, request form for external clients. So in those cases you need to make it available to people that don't have access to Pipefy, and the public form is the perfect solution for that. Okay, so how do we enable the public form? All we have to do is open the start form as we see here and go to the share button. Click here. Make sure that this button here is on green, and we have the link right here, the link to the public form. You can also embed this public form in your website if you think that would be better. Just click here in this button, select the code, copy and paste in your website's code. In some cases, this could be really helpful because people don't need to go to another website to fill the public form. It's an interesting option if you already have a website that users or clients visit regularly. So it's a good option for you if you want to do that. Okay, but before we share this public form with everyone else, we need to customize it first, make it more personal. Just click here on the button, and this is the customization page that we have for the public form. You can customize the public form as you wish to make it more appealing. So let's start. Here we can add a logo or add a picture that you want to add to your public form. Let's choose a Pipefy logo, make it fit right here. Since this is a campaign briefing start form, public form, we can write here the title. Add a description right here. Here on button title you can write whatever you want here in the button that will appear right here on submit. You can choose the brand color, that's the color of the button. Let's make it blue, and the background of this public form. So here we have some images from Unsplash, which is a image bank. And you can also choose some colors. Let's choose a blue one and save it. Also, you can choose this option here to collect email addresses. You can make it mandatory so people will always have to write an email before send a request. And you can write as well the submitted message for your clients. You can show or not Pipefy branding if you're a paid user. And you can also show a submit another response button if you like. So once you have all the customization done, you can click on the Save button right here. So we go back to the pipes page. Here we have the link. Let's go check the link. And this is the version that we just added, that we just customized of the start form. So people will access here the public form and will generate cards for your pipe, for your process, in the same way that would generate if they had access to the pipe itself on Pipefy inside the platform. Okay, one more thing that is super helpful regarding public forms and start forms is the portal. This feature allows you to gather different forms in one single place to centralize all your demands. This way people won't need to access a lot of links and will not get lost if you have a lot of forms. So you can access the portal right here through this button. Okay, this is the page of the portals when you access it for the first time. Basically, the portal is a collection of forms that you can create. For example, you can create a portal for all forms of the same department in order to make it more organized and centralized. You can learn more about portals on these buttons, and learn how it works, watch an intro, and create a portal right here on this button. So let's create a portal together. Since we choose a briefing campaign example, let's create a portal for the marketing team. Let's choose here the logo. As you can see, this is the customization page of the portal, very similar to the public form customization page. Here we can add the name of this portal. Here we can write the description of the portal. Here you can choose the background of your portal. In the same way, we have a lot of images from the Unsplash, the image bank, or you can choose a specific color right here. Let's choose a blue one to match our public form. And here we can choose the public forms that we want to show in this portal. So click it right here and choose the form. Let's choose campaign briefing, which was the pipe that we were working on. Requirement title, and here we can write the description. Once you wrote the description, just click on the button Add Form, and right here is the public form. We can add other forms as well, for example, marketing requests. Once you wrote the description, just click on Add Form, and here we have the heading, which is the title of the portal again, Marketing Portal. And we have another field of description to better explain what are these requests, what are these public forms. Okay, once you put it all the forms that you want and you customize as you wish, just click here on Save and Close. And we go back to the portals page. Here we can choose the privacy of this portal, if only people with the link can access it or if it's going to be public on the web. So I will choose public on the web. Here we can copy the link and even customize it. That's it. That's all that I can tell you about public forms today. If you have any doubts about that, you can click here on the help icon. The Learning Center will appear, which is a contextualized help sidebar. You can solve your doubts right here, or you can talk to our customer support team in the chat button. Okay, that's it for today, and thank you.